today. Let it end today. Nobody should tell me again anything to sign any document for any code of conduct. I have not seen the document. Nobody have sent the document to me. And if you that is telling me to sign document have seen the document, show me the document. But what I said, which is very clear, is that I will not hand over my platform as a condition to broadcast on Radio Biafra. That is my stand. I will not hand over my platform as a condition to broadcast on Radio Biafra. And I believe that if any other thing you don't understand any other thing, you understand this one. So the code of conduct that people are talking about is that they are reporting my account. Nobody is reporting my account. I'm receiving call. So the code of conduct that people are talking about is for me to hand over my platform, yeah, as a condition before broadcasting on Radio Biafra. So please leave this scene, leave this thing, leave me alone. Let me do what I'm doing. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Let me fight for Biafra the way I'm fighting it until our Onyendu is out. When Onyendu come out, everybody will see where we have gone wrong and where we have gotten it right. And he will be the one to address it. And you people were there. All of a sudden, immediately they capture our leader, they kidnap our leader. Everybody is fighting Simon Ekpa. What did Simon Ekpa do you? Did Simon Ekpa collect your wife? Did Simon Ekpa collect your wife? Do you know Simon Ekpa before? Some of you are just following something you know nothing about. You come on social media, go and sign document. Go and sign do you know the document? Did you see document? Somebody come and tell me I should hand my platform as a condition to broadcast on Radio Biafra. And then he come out and say there is a code of conduct. Where is the code of conduct? If you that is watching me today and you always come to my program, Simon Ekpa, go and sign code. Have you set your eyes on code of conduct? Have you set your eyes on it? You know you did not set your eyes on it, but you are coming every day to talk to Simon Ekpa. So I want this thing to die today. I want it to die today. Everything Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has built, we are going to fight to protect it.